Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna customize Nike Air Force 1 mids. Well, there is no theme for today's customization. One of my clients sent me this beautiful pair of white Nike Air Force 1 mids, and he asked me to color it with a combination of red, black and white. He sent me the picture, one of the picture he added on his software or computer, you can see on the screen, which is not that difficult for me. It's quite easy because I have made more difficult custom sneakers in Nike Air Force 1 mids, which you can check on my Instagram, that's merchant.custom. And also you can order those sneakers from my collection from my website, that's merchantcustoms.in. So let's start painting the shoes. So I'm done with this pair of Nike Air Force 1 mids. You can have a look, and I have made it exactly the way it was in the picture sent to me by my client. You can compare both the pictures right now. Only the thing which I have not done is I have not colored this part of the sole, which was colored in the picture sent to me by the customer, because it's not recommended to color the sole because of the rubber material. If you paint the sole, it's gonna chip off if it comes in a contact with something solid or wall or something like that. So it's not recommended to color the sole. Also like to inform you that this is not the first Nike Air Force 1 mids I have custom. I have done many anime custom Nike Air Force 1 mids. You can have a look on my Instagram, that's merchant.custom. Also, if you want to order any of the pairs from my collection, you can order through my website, that's merchantcustoms.in. So if you like my artwork and my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in my next custom sneaker video. Till then, be safe, be positive.